Hi friends, in the previous video we have talked about the concepts of braking distances. Now we are looking for a question regarding that concept. So this question is from Transport Engineering book by Peppa Costa. You can refer to that book for your references, for your future references. So the question is, a car collided with a telephone pole and left 20 feet skid marks on the dry pavement. Based on the damages sustained, an engineer estimated that the speed at collision was 15 miles per hour. If the roadway has plus 3% grade, calculate the speed of the car at the onset of the skidding. So this is the whole scenario. There is a telephone exchange. The car is heading with a velocity of V0 feet per second in this direction, and it was collided with this pole where the final velocity was V equals to 15 miles per hour, that is equals to 22 feet per second. I will get back to you how we get this conversion. And the distance after application of brake, the skid marks what we get was 20 feet, and the friction is equals to 0.6. That states that this is a dry pavement case. Now for coming to the solution, let's see what is given. So we are given with the final velocity of 15 miles per hour, that is equals to 22 feet per second. With this conversion we can get from 1 mile per hour is equals to 1.467 feet per second. Then our braking distance dB is equals to 20 feet. For our dry pavement case, we have our coefficient of friction F is equals to 0.6. Also, because it is stating plus 3% grade, this gives us the idea that it is a uphill case, and this plus 3% grade states that our tan alpha is equals to 3 by 100, that is equals to 0.03. Now we know that the formula for uphill is dB is equals to naught square minus V square upon 2G F plus gradient. On putting the values, dB 20 feet is equals V0 square that we have to calculate, and V square that is 22 square upon also one more thing I want to add, that G, which we takes 9.8 meter per second square in case of metric scale, will be equals to 32.1741 feet per second square in our case, because we are talking in feet. Please be careful with your units that all of them are in the same scale. 2 into 32.1741, F is 0.6 plus 0.03. This gives us the value of P equals to 35.9831 feet per second. This is the velocity when the driver applied the brakes. Thank you.